Deep in the heart of India's lush, unexplored forests, a shocking discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and sparked the imagination of people worldwide. Could it be that a creature thought extinct for millions of years has been found alive? Today, on Amazing World Facts, we dive into the incredible story of the titanoboa, the largest snake to have ever roamed the earth, and the recent reports of its possible reappearance in the wilds of India. The titanoboa, a name that evokes awe and terror in equal measure. This colossal serpent lived approximately 60 million years ago during the Paleocene epoch in what is now northern South America. Measuring up to 42 feet in length and weighing over 2,500 pounds, it was the undisputed apex predator of its time. But how did such a creature, seemingly vanished from the planet, suddenly reappear in modern-day India? The story of the titanoboa began in the early 2000s when a team of scientists unearthed its fossilized remains in the Cerrejón coal mines of Colombia. These fossils provided a window into a world where reptiles dominated, a world much hotter and wetter than today. The discovery was monumental, revealing not only the size and power of the titanoboa, but also its role in the ecosystem as a top predator. The titanoboa ruled the prehistoric rainforests, feasting on large crocodiles and other formidable prey. But despite its fearsome reputation, it was not invincible. As the Earth's climate cooled, the habitats that sustained such giants gradually disappeared, leading to the eventual extinction of the titanoboa, or so we thought. Fast forward to the present day, and the legend of the titanoboa takes a startling turn. In a remote village in India, reports began to surface of a massive snake, far larger than any known species, slithering through the jungles. At first, these reports were dismissed as folklore or exaggeration. After all, stories of giant snakes are common in many cultures. But as sightings became more frequent and consistent, experts started to take notice. It was unlike anything we've ever seen. Its body was as thick as a tree trunk, and it moved with a power that shook the ground. We were terrified, but also in awe. Such a creature is not of this world. Intrigued and somewhat skeptical, a team of herpetologists and wildlife experts set out to investigate the claims. Armed with modern technology and a healthy dose of caution, they ventured deep into the jungle, following the trail of this mysterious creature. What they found would leave even the most seasoned scientists speechless. The team discovered massive tracks, unlike those of any known snake species. The width and depth of the impressions suggested a creature of immense size and weight. They also found partially eaten carcasses of large animals, with bite marks that matched the estimated size of a titanoboa. These findings, though inconclusive, hinted at the presence of something extraordinary. The size and pattern of these marks are consistent with what we would expect from a giant constrictor like the titanoboa. However, we must approach this with caution. While the evidence is compelling, we need more data to make a definitive conclusion. Using the evidence gathered, the team created a digital model of the creature, estimating its size and behavior. The results were astonishing. A snake that could easily rival the titanoboa of ancient times in both size and strength. But the question remained, was this a new species, a descendant of the titanoboa, or could it be the titanoboa itself, somehow surviving in isolation for millions of years? The discovery has sparked a flurry of theories and debates within the scientific community. Some believe that the creature could be a previously unknown species of giant snake, one that has evolved in isolation in the dense forests of India. Others speculate that it could be a rare surviving population of titanoboa, hidden away from human eyes for millennia. While it seems unlikely, it's not impossible. We know that many species have survived in isolated pockets of the world, only to be discovered much later. The dense jungles of India could provide the perfect environment for such a creature to remain hidden. If this is indeed a living titanoboa, it would rewrite everything we know about the history of life on Earth. It would mean that these giants not only survived, but thrived in environments far removed from their original habitat. The titanoboa's discovery would also raise questions about how such a massive creature could remain undetected for so long. Modern snakes, even the largest like the reticulated python and the anaconda, are much smaller in comparison. The idea that a snake of such immense size could exist without widespread knowledge seems almost unbelievable, but nature is full of surprises. Determined to uncover the truth, the team has set up an extensive network of cameras, traps, and monitoring equipment throughout the jungle. Their goal is simple: capture definitive proof of the creature's existence, be it through video footage, physical samples, or, in the best-case scenario, a live specimen. The jungle is alive with activity, and every rustle of the leaves or distant growl heightens the tension. The team knows that they are not just searching for any snake, they are searching for a living legend, a creature that could be the key to unlocking new chapters in the story of life on Earth. We've seen some unusual movement on the cameras, but nothing conclusive yet. It's frustrating, but also incredibly exciting. The possibility that we might be on the verge of a discovery of this magnitude keeps us going. The possibility of a titanoboa being discovered in India has captured the world's attention. News outlets, social media, and scientific journals are abuzz with speculation and excitement. The implications of such a discovery are profound, not just for science, but for our understanding of the natural world. If a titanoboa or a similar species were to be confirmed, it would highlight the importance of preserving these last wild places on Earth. It would be a powerful reminder that there is still so much we don't know about our planet, and that every effort must be made to protect its biodiversity. The discovery of the titanoboa, if proven true, would be one of the most significant scientific breakthroughs of the century. It would challenge our understanding of extinction, survival, and the resilience of life. But until definitive proof is found, the titanoboa remains an enigma, a legend lurking in the shadows of the Indian jungle, waiting to be revealed. What do you think? Could the titanoboa still be alive in the wilds of India? Or is this just another myth waiting to be debunked? One thing is for sure, the truth is out there, hidden in the depths of the jungle. And with each new discovery, we come one step closer to uncovering it. Stay tuned to Amazing World Facts for more updates on this incredible story and other mind-blowing discoveries from around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And if you're as fascinated by the titanoboa as we are, check out the link in the description to read more about this incredible discovery.